All right, guys, we got us a 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack 392, 6.4 liter beast. What we got done on it for you guys: factory converters there and there, factory X pipe there, 3-inch pipe. Then he brought his own. He saw our videos and brought his own Jones JFP 3-inch. There'll be a link in the description. Right there, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Then got the active exhaust right there. You guys don't want to take that out unless you get it like programmed, tuned out, because they control the transmission. And there's the rear resonators there and there, and factory tips there and there. As you guys can see, there's the mids we took out right there, the mid mufflers. Replace them with some Jones. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And thank you for his service, Air Force. 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack 392. Really beautiful green olive color. I like that. It's different. Anyways, it's got factory converters there and there. He came from the channel also. We appreciate that very much. And put Dynomax race bullets, one here, then 3-inch pipe to complete it. Still got the exhaust cutouts. Not cutouts. I'm sorry, guys. Today is not my day. It's still got the exhaust valves there and there. So when you put it in sport mode or track mode, they open up. It gets a lot louder. Still got the factory resonators in the back, there and there, or mid muffler or rear mufflers, whatever you want to call them, and factory tips there. 2015 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack 6.4 liter V8. It's got original converters right there and right there. Got factory 3-inch into a factory 3-inch X pipe. Then we put some vibrant glass packs on it on both sides, right there and right there. They're like the Dynomax bullets, but a little bit different. Then it's got the active exhaust on it there and there. And we left the rear mufflers out the back. They don't want it too loud. And left the original tips. There it is, right there. There's the vibrant mufflers. If you want them, there'll be a link in the description for them. Much better. It sounds different than that one. But we cut the valves out of that one too. So probably if you put it in sport mode, it's a little louder. Sounds good though. Where's sound decibels? Again? 107. Go ahead and back it up. Oh, it sounds so good. Jones 3-inch pipe. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments how you like the sound of it. That's much better. There we go. Much better. Sound decibels? Again? It peaked at 116 earlier. This is what we cut off of it. That's the mid resonators or mid mufflers, whatever you want to call them. There it is. Another. I don't think he has it in sport mode. Sounds really good. Hope you guys like it. He's going to put it in sport mode for us. So that was in regular mode, eco mode, or he's going to be in sport mode next. Get on it, man. Enjoy it, bro. Thank you. Appreciate you. Go ahead. Oh, it's not bad. Sound decibels? 113 on the sound decibels, bro. That thing's loud. He's gonna come back. We're gonna put him some new tips. Vibrance. Not bad at all. Challenger. Scat pack. Nice bright red color. Haven't seen many red ones. That looks really nice. I like it. I like how the lights are set up on them too. They look mean. Mean Gene. Nice, setting up. Challenger Scat pack. He's gonna be back, and we're gonna put 2 Dynomax in the back too. Eliminate those rear resonators or mufflers. Hopefully it'll go beast mode.